Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the second trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is ICICI Prudential Company reported the Q4 numbers, whereas APE is reported at 3,502 crores. It is down by 3.1% on yearly basis. Value of new business is up by 2.5%. Value of new business margins are reported at 22.7% versus 21.5% on yearly basis. Also, the company declares final dividend of 0.85 paisa per share. The next share is ICICI Lombard because company's net profit is down by 1.2% at 509 crores. Gross premium of the company is up by 10.2%. Operating profit is again down by 26%. Also, the underwriting loss is reported at 209 crores versus the loss of 235 crores. Combined ratio is reported at 102.5% versus 102.3% on yearly basis. The next stock is IREDA because company's net profit is up by approximately 49% at 501 crores. Net interest income of the company is again up by 47.3% at 801 crores. Revenue is reported at 1,905 crores, which is up by 37% on yearly basis. And margins are reported at 31.01%, which is substantially contracted versus 33.92% on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is IndusInd Bank because company receives report from the external agency and company report identifies discrepancy in the derivative deals, has quantified negative impact of 1,979 crores, also assesses adverse impact of 2.27% to net worth of the IndusInd Bank. It is going to reflect in fiscal year 25 financial statement. Now the bank will continue to take suitable steps to augment internal controls relating to the derivative account operation of the bank. Also, you need to look at because bank's internal review estimated an adverse impact of around 2.35% of net worth as of December 2024. The next stock is Mahanagar Gas because there is an APM gas allocation for company reduced by 18% effective from 16th of April, which is today. Also, the reduction of APM volumes has been replaced with new well intervention gas. Now, the Mahanagar Gas says that reduction in APM gas allocation to have adverse impact on company's profitability, and the company is in process of exploring all measures to mitigate the impact. The next stock is Indraprasth Gas because domestic gas allocation for IGL has been reduced by 20% effective from today. The company has been allocated an additional 125% of the reduced volume as of new well gas. Also, now the Indraprasth is saying this revision in allocation is expected to impact the company's profitability. The next stock which you need to look at is Oil India because company secures 9 block under OALP round 9. This adds over approximately 51,000 square kilometer to Oil India exploration portfolio. With this, Oil India's exploration acreage grows by 85% to 1.10 lakh square kilometer from 60,000 square kilometers. The next stock is NHPC because company declares commercial operation of Unit 3 200 megawatt of Paribati second HE project in Himachal Pradesh. You need to look at because company also declared commercial operation of Unit 1 and 3 of Paribati 2 HE project on April 1st. The next stock which you need to look at is Aster DM Healthcare because CCI approved merger of Quality Care India into company by the way of scheme of amalgamation. Post-merger, company will be renamed as Aster DM Control Quality Limited. Prior to the merger, Aster shall buy 5% stake in Quality Care from BCP Asia and Centella Mauritius Holding. Now, the Quality Care's existing shareholding Centella, BCP and certain minority shareholder are proposed to hold certain stake in the merged entity. The next stock which you need to look at is Vedanta because Cairn Oil and Gas acquires 7 new blocks in OALP round 9. OALP is basically open acreage licensing policy and also awarded block comprise of 4 onshore and 3 shallow water blocks located in hydrocarbon basin of Cambay and Bombay. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.